Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. This video I will show you very quick how to remove this kind of watermark out from your image or your videos on Canva free account. So this video will have two parts. The first part is for image and the second part for videos. For the first part, I have one image with a very big watermark over here, Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra. So if you want to remove this background, we choose this image over here and we have the edit option. We choose edit and you can see the option called magic eraser. Remember, because I have the Canva Pro account, you can't access this one if you're using pre account. But if you have the Pro account, you will choose magic eraser over here. You can change brush size over here and you brush to the place you want to remove the watermark and choose erase over here. The watermark will automatically remove from the image. But what if you want to use this option using free account? I will show you the alternative way. You will choose this image over here. You will click share and you need to download this image to JPEG. And then you can go to Google and search for remove watermark over here. And we have some website called watermark.ai. We choose this website and you upload your image that export from Canva over here. And you can see this AI very quickly remove all the watermark for you and the quality is great. Now part 2 of this video is how you can remove the watermark right in the videos like this. So it's kind of complicated because even you use the Canva free account or Canva Pro account, Canva don't have the function for you to remove watermark right in the videos. So in this kind of videos, the only option you can do is you resize the video like this. The purpose is you don't see the watermark anymore. But this option will crop your videos too much. So you can have the next option over here is you go into the element over here and you will use the shape to cover all of your watermark. You can type in your old text over here like this. The purpose is cover the watermark from your videos, but it's still not the best solution. So I will show you now how you can remove completely this watermark out from your videos, but not in Canva. You will go to Google and just search for remove watermark from videos. You can see the website called vmake.ai over here, remove watermark from video. I will choose this website and then I will upload my videos. As you can see, this is my current videos with very big watermark over here, and the website will use AI to remove my watermark. Okay, you can see over here after processing, this watermark from my original videos are removed. So that could be a better way for you to remove watermark from your videos if you don't want to use Canva, because basically Canva don't have that option for you. It only has the option for you to remove watermark from image. If you see my videos helpful, please give me a like and subscribe and drop a comment below if you want to ask me anything. I will see you in my next videos.